Hello everyone, Felipe here. Welcome to Cajon Master YouTube channel. After a few weeks without uploading a video here, I'm back. Today I'm here to introduce the Cajon Groove library. This will be a series of videos where I'm going to share with you some very cool grooves I use all the time in my musical projects. It will be one groove per week, and in each video you are going to have your free PDF download available in the description below. It's very important that you try to play this groove with me with the practice tempo. If it's still too fast for you, I suggest you to stop this video and practice it in a slow tempo. Before going to the first groove, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you like these videos and it can be helpful for you. If you're ready, let's go to the first groove.